Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing 4 practical and non-basic tips that can hopefully help you to stay focused during online classes. Firstly, make a daily checklist every morning. Next, set up a comfortable workspace. Have a desk or table with a chair that you will be comfortable sitting for potentially hours at a time. Thirdly, minimize as many distractions as possible. You may use free extensions like Forest, Stay Focused, Freedom, and Limit to assist you in this case. Lastly, although consistency is really important, it's even important to take breaks. If you want to develop a habit of studying for long hours without getting distracted easily, study for 20 minutes short intervals and take a 5-minute break. You can slowly extend your study timing by time to time. So for more daily short videos, do subscribe to my channel and thank you. Bye bye.